maybe some of my pearls of wisdom. I've done about 400 cases now, and a few of them have been interesting, so we're going to highlight a couple of those. Dr. Rosenberg was asking a good question. It fits in well. At the end here, we'll talk about some cases I've done more recently. So vertebrogenic back pain, that's the buzzword of the last 5 years or so. Before that, nobody knew what vertebrogenic back pain was. We called it discogenic back pain, but vertebrogenic back pain has been validated. It's a real thing. It's what happens when the end plates break down, and there are a specific nerve that innervates those end plates called the basivertebral nerve. That nerve travels through the sinovertebral nerve and up into our brain and tells us we have back pain. We've traditionally thought about back pain, low back pain, as in columns. The anterior column pain is the signature type of pain that we have with vertebrogenic pain.